the rational expression given in the form of 1 over x minus 1 minus 1 over x plus 1. So x, take the cross product, that is x plus 1 times 1 is x plus 1, and x minus 1 times minus 1 is minus into x minus 1, and the denominator is multiplied. Now x minus 1 into x plus 1 is LCM. Taking the LCM, x minus 1 into x plus 1, or again we multiplied by x minus 1 times 1 is x plus 1 into x minus 1 times 1 is plus x minus 1 into x minus 1. Now x plus 1, we take x plus 1 and distributing minus into x minus 1, then we obtain x plus 1 minus x plus 1, because minus times x is minus x, minus times minus is plus. X plus 1 plus x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 into x plus 1. The LCM. So x plus 1 minus x is x plus minus x is minus 1 plus 1 is 2, and x minus 1 into x plus 1. Here x plus x is 2x, 1 plus minus 1 is, so we have x 2x over x plus 1 into x minus 1. Take the reciprocal of this expression. 2 over x minus 1 into x plus 1 is multiplied by, from rule of division of rational action or rational expression, x plus 1 into x minus 1 divided by 2. Taking from reciprocal, so x minus 1 into x plus 1 is cancelled by x plus 1 into x minus 1, and we have 2 over 2x. Now 2 divided by 2, we have 1. So the lowest term of this expression is 1 over x. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Please support us by like the video, share the video.